Alright guys, welcome back to our series on Git. In this video, we're going to learn how to convert a long command into an alias or into a word, okay? So essentially, if you remember in the last video, we did like a long command. So let me just open up the terminal and show you what I'm talking about. So if I say git and status, which is how we like to start, so everything is fine here. So in the last video we did git log, and then we specified the number of logs to show, and we said we wanted it to be 6, and then we wanted the outline to be 1 line, and then we hit enter. So this is the result we get when we type this command. But it is going to be cumbersome for us to type this command every time we want to output the last 6 commits, okay? So that's where an alias comes in. So we set an alias, and essentially that replaces this command here. So to create an alias, all we need to do is to say git and config and -- global, okay? And then we say alias and the name of the alias. So I'm just going to name this alias log list, okay, which is actually still long, okay? So but then I'll just leave it as log list, and then I'll give a space and put in quotes, double quotes, the very command up there. Oh, so I think I made a mistake there, so let me just, so I'll put in quotes, I'll say log. So I would not need to type git again. So basically what I'll just say is I'll say log and -n, but this time I want to specify the last 10 changes, okay? And I want it to display on 1 line, okay? So if I hit enter, essentially I've created an alias. Next time I want to get these same results, I don't need to type in all of this command. All I need to say is git and log list, I think, yeah, log list. And if I hit enter, it shows me the last 10 commits I made, okay? So now let's do one more. One of the things we do when we start our git is to do git status, right? And then it shows us the status here. So we can create an alias for that to make it shorter. So basically we do the same procedure, and we say git and we say config, this time global, and alias.s. So when I say git s, I want this code to be executed. So I can say something like I'll just say status, and I'll hit enter. So let me clear the terminal, and if I now come here and say git s, it shows me the git status. So that's what an alias is. Essentially it makes our life easier as developers. So why don't you go ahead and create more aliases for the commands you've learned so far using git. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one.